I'm going to do something different for this. First, I'll give you some red flags for Opus Clips, and then I'll give you some real ways to make money with it, because I don't sell a course, and I don't care if you're going to use it or not. And you probably know what Opus Clip does. It cuts clips, right? A long video into many short clips. But here's the first red flag, a big one, the worst one, the billing issue. You can just go ahead and read the reviews yourself, hundreds of them, and the same story keeps coming up. People get charged after they cancel. One reviewer used the word fraud. I don't want to use the word fraud, that's their opinion, but in my opinion, well, let's just say that you should be careful. Other people say the cancellation process is deliberately confusing, and when they ask for help, they get bot replies. No human. And there's more, of course. The refund button exists, but it's hidden. Most people never find it. And here's the one that stinks. If you cancel your plan, your projects will vanish in 3 days, even if you already paid for the credits. Now, to be fair, plenty of people also say support fixed their problem fast. Both things are true. It seems to depend on whether your issue, how hard is your issue, and how hard you push. But please do this. If you subscribe, set a calendar reminder before your renewal date. Don't assume canceling is one click. That single habit will protect you from the most common complaint about this tool. Red flag number 2, well, the AI is hit or miss, and that changes your whole plan. Here's what real users say. If it makes 20 clips, maybe 2 or 3 are actually ready to post. The rest cut off mid-sentence, or they chop the joke right before the punchline. The AI doesn't get context. One reviewer said it perfectly. By the time he fixed the bad clips, he'd spent as long as if he just edited them himself. Just plan on throwing away 20 to 40% of what it gives you, and that's normal. That's not a bug you can fix. And the extras are shaky too. The auto poster drops posts and disconnects accounts, so most people just download the clips and post them by hand anyway, which means set it and forget it pitch isn't real. It's a fast first draft. You still do work. Now the third flag, and this one's about the videos you're watching, including the ones about this tool. Opus Clip's own blog published a post promising $100 a day with no experience. Their own blog about their own product. And most YouTube videos pushing it, they've got a coupon code in the description and a free course bonus on top. They earn when you sign up. Now, I'm not saying the tool is fake. It works. I'm saying be careful whose math you trust. When the person promising you money also gets paid when you buy, read it twice. Okay, red flag's done. Now the real ways to earn money with this. The first way, and you probably know about it, but it is the most realistic for a beginner. It's not going to make you rich overnight, of course, but WAP clipping, well, here's how it works. Brands put money in a pot, and you cut clips of their content, you post them, and you get paid per view. You don't have to have any followers, no products, just clips. Now, WAP is the biggest place doing this. Billions of views a month flow through it. And Opus Clip is your engine. You feed it the brand's long video, it spits out clips fast. You just fix the good ones and you post them. Now, the real numbers, because this matters. Most deals pay 50 cents to $2 per 1,000 views. Some pay a flat 5 to 50 per post. Month 1, you're going to be learning. Realistically, $200 to $500 in your first month. Most of your clips will earn nothing at the start. Be prepared. 1 or 2 go semi-viral and cover your costs, and that's normal. Months 2 and 3, once you find your niche and your hooks, $500 to $2,000 a month. Now, that's the ceiling for one person. Maybe $2,500 a month, but that's running 4 or 5 deals, 100 plus clips a month. Nothing is guaranteed. And I know you've seen people claim $10,000 a month. I mean, that happens, but it's the rare tail, not the middle. Don't plan your life around it, all right? Now, one warning, platforms are banning accounts that post identical clips over and over. Your accounts are your whole business, all right? Just protect them. I've got a separate video on WAP if you want to know the details, but now we have to see the details of Opus Clip, and it's the pricing. Now, here's a key thing nobody explains. You pay by the minute of video you put in, not by the clips you get out. If you upload a 60-minute podcast, that's 60 credits gone. And as you can see here on the starter plan, you have 150 credits per month if you take the starter plan, which is $15, by the way. You have a free plan that gets you 60 minutes a month, but it stamps a watermark on everything and deletes your files after 3 days. It's just a demo. It's not a business. Starter, as I've told you, is $15 a month. There's no watermark here, but you've got 150 minutes. And the Pro plan, as you can see, it is $14.5 if you take the yearly version, but it is actually $29 a month. Now, this is the actual starting point if you're serious about this one, but do the math before you buy. And credits expire 60 days on monthly plans, so you can't stockpile them. Now, the second way, it's better money, but you need clients. You can make clips for creators. Every podcaster and YouTuber has the same problem. Hours of long video, no time to cut it up. And they know they're leaving views on the table. There is a feature that vidIQ gives you, but it's not so good. So you can solve this one. You take their episode, you run it through OpusClip, you fix the clips that need it, and hand back a week of content, and you charge monthly. Now, this pays better than WAP because you're not gambling on views. All right? You get paid whether the clip pops or not. And the move is pretty simple. You find a podcaster with no shorts. Just go through YouTube, you cut 3 clips from their latest episode for free, and you then send them over. Say you can do this every week, and be honest about your time. Remember, the AI's first draft needs cleanup. Price for that. Don't quote like it's fully automatic, because it isn't. And I always say this, offer some value up front for free. People will respect you for that. If you do the work well, they will respect you. Now I'm going to be straight with you. OpusClip is a real tool. It genuinely saves time, but it's not the money machine the ads sell you. All right, here's the pattern. The AI makes the cut free. So the cut isn't worth much anymore. Everyone uses it. You're not special if you use AI. What you actually get paid for is the part AI can't do now. All right, picking the right 3 seconds. Fixing what it broke. Knowing where to post it. That's your job. That's your value. There is this platform as well, which is called Viro. MrBeast has something to do with it. You can find some clipping jobs on this platform as well. It's way less popular than WAP, but it is working. And, if there's MrBeast in it, well, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, all you need to do now is to see what people are doing and to win those first 3 seconds first. Just treat this like a real work, not a button that prints money for you. And that's the real picture. Watch the billing, watch your calendar, start with WAP or one client or this Viro thing, and reach out to people, all right? Just reach out to creators. Offer them something for free so they can see your work. That's how it starts. Wish you good luck, and I'll catch you in the next one.